Sometimes I really don't want to walk all the way up to my vanity. It's kind of far, but I got a better room for myself. You want to see where? My MG Hector. So I got in this car in 2020. It's been about 3 years that I've been driving it, and it's very low maintenance. Actually, it's no maintenance because my service cost is covered under the AMC. You know, guys, to tell you the truth, it's real value for money. Like, I really mean it. The best part about MG Hector is the spacious legroom, comfortable seating, and especially when I'm shifting from one location to the other and I need to take a quick nap, I feel like I'm home. It's so comfortable. The good part is that I really don't have to worry about the service fee. It's really low maintenance, and अगर कुछ होता भी है, so it's all taken care of. So it's basically high-tech luxury and best value for money.